Stop ignoring the warnings. Kenya's turmoil is reaching a boiling point. In Kenya, what began as peaceful protests has spiraled into a storm of violence. Goons, armed and unruly, have infiltrated the demonstrations, turning them into hotspots of chaos. Reports of vandalism, looting, and clashes with police have flooded in. Innocent bystanders are caught in the crossfire, businesses are shuttered, and fear grips the streets. The government faces mounting pressure to restore order, but the situation remains volatile. This is a crucial moment for Kenya. The world watches as the nation strives to navigate through this turbulence. Stay informed, stay safe. For continuous updates, keep following our channel. Subscribe now and be the first to know.